Hi, my name is Sarvesh and you're watching D365 Notes. Today, the agenda of this video is to cover about the default financial dimension on the journal name in D365 Finance and Operation. So let's get started. So this is the journal name form, and I will not make this video bit longer. I will keep it short. And here, if you see, I have defined default financial dimension in the journal name. If you see here, I have defined all the financial dimension, and let me define the project as well. Okay. So these are the financial dimension defined by default on this journal name. If I create a new journal in the system and try to create a new journal entry, you will see system will by default give you these financial dimension. Let me select the journal, save, go to lines, and let's create one entry which is rent account. Now if you see, after selecting the main account, all the financial dimension are automatically populated. In the account structure level, there is no project selected for this account. That's why it is not coming over here. Now let's put debit 1000. Instead of offset account ledger, I will select one vendor account. This is my vendor and save. If you know here that in the journal, if you are taking any subledger on the entry, you will see financial dimension over here. So if I click on offset account, you will see all the financial dimension automatically populated. Okay, this is the logic. Now let's remove these. Let's try to perform the same scenario. Save this. Let's create a new journal. System, lines, and here similarly I will select rent account. If you see here, all the financial dimensions are blank. Let me put 1000 debit and select vendor. I will select the same vendor. Save, financial dimension, offset account. If you see, all the financial dimensions are blank. So this is how you can use the default financial dimension feature on the journal name in D365. If you have any doubt or query, please let me know in the comment. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Till that time, tada, bye bye. See you in the next video.